Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1-minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online language lessons. This week in one of my classes, we ended up discussing our cultural lives and sharing perspectives and feelings about the kind of books and films and music we loved. One of my students started talking very enthusiastically about her love of opera and ballet, at which point I winced a little bit and had to tell her, listen, I'm afraid you're talking to the wrong person. I'm basically a Philistine, me. I loathe opera and ballet. I loathe it with a passion. If you describe someone as a Philistine, it's basically an insulting word for someone who dislikes or doesn't understand, in your opinion, serious art or literature or music. So you might say, for example, you often use it about yourself. So you might say, hey, listen, call me a Philistine, but personally, I think I'm going to give that book a miss. 900 pages of stream of consciousness outpourings. Just doesn't sound like my idea of a fun read. You might also use it with friends if you go and watch a highbrow, art house, independent movie, something like that, which you love and your friend hates. You might comment on it by saying, hey, listen, I wouldn't have expected a Philistine like you to enjoy a film of such high quality. It's also often used about governments or government policies. So you might say, for example, this government just keeps cutting funding for art subjects in schools and universities. They're total Philistines. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please do share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use Philistine.